every choice you make has a cost. Most people don't see it, but I will show you how. I spent years studying economics, reading a lot of books, breaking down concepts and theories. Then I realized something. I am Azifa Fiabo. I teach IGCSE and IB economics. Most people think that economics is all about complex graphs such as the demand and supply and abstract theories and concepts that has nothing to do with our real life. That's wrong. Economics is a study of choices, and every choice has a cost. So I started the Deadweight Lost to do one thing: to use the messes of our real life to teach you the economics that you actually need. I will use concepts such as the Nash equilibrium, the sunk cost trap, the game theory, opportunity cost, misallocation of resources, and many more to show you how it affects your relationship, your career, your efficiency, your friendship, your time, and your choices in all domains of your life. In this channel, I break down the situation you're living through, show you the economics principle at play so that you understand why you're stuck and to think your way out. That's the economics of your life. Subscribe to Deadweight Lost, because the most expensive thing you will ever buy is the decision you did not calculate. The price is what you pay, the cost is what you lose.